Oh, barnacles! My pineapple house feels drier than Sandy's air dome. I need to find more water. Time for an adventure. Wow, look at those bubbles rising from the hot volcano. The water's turning into vapor. Golly, the vapor is turning back into tiny water droplets up here where it's cooler. It's forming an underwater cloud. Who knew we had those down here? Holy shrimp, the droplets are getting heavy and falling like rain. This must be the water cycle.
Okay, let's talk about the water cycle. Imagine water is like a traveler that never stops moving. First, see that big sun in the sky? It heats up water in oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water turns into a gas called vapor and floats up into the air. We call this evaporation. As the vapor goes higher, it cools down and turns into tiny water droplets that form clouds. This is called condensation. When the clouds get heavy, the water falls back down as rain or snow. We call this precipitation. Some of this water flows over the ground in rivers or streams. This is surface flow. Some soaks into the ground, which we call infiltration. Plants drink some of this water through their roots. They also release water vapor from their leaves, which is called transpiration. Some water turns directly from ice to vapor on mountaintops.
Patrick, you won't believe what I discovered. It's called the water cycle.
Water cycle? Is that like a bicycle made of ice cubes?
No, silly. It's how water moves around. The sun heats it up, turning it into vapor. Then it cools down and forms clouds. When the clouds get heavy, it rains.
Wow, SpongeBob, so the water in your pineapple could have been in an iceberg?
Exactly, Patrick. The water cycle keeps it all moving. Isn't that amazing?
It sure is. I'm thirsty now. Can I have some of your house water?
SpongeBob and Patrick laughed, now understanding the importance of the water cycle in their underwater world.